But you have violated the COVID protocols. If you can clarify.
I don't know what the issue with this is. Well, while we're talking of border issues and while we're talking of such important aspects like 50 years, it is really sad to see that people are finding such petty issues to look at. I, as Chief Minister, have got huge responsibilities and works to do. And those are works that need to be done. Some things are very important to be done. But I have been very clear. I've always followed protocols. I've been somebody who has always been careful. I was somebody who, on the 21st of January, knowing that I was not feeling well, I did not go, in spite of not actually testing positive. If I really wanted to go, I could have gone and tested later on and taken advantage of the situation, but I did not. So therefore, I think for anybody to question my integrity and my entire commitment to this entire issue is quite sad. And I think these people have nothing better to do, those who are questioning like that, and are missing the point that there's a larger picture. I have been responsible in my own way in which I have behaved in the last few days. So therefore, I have nothing to say against this. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.